And these are my team members.
My name is Sarthak Mohanakashi.
My name is Prathamesh Narendra.
My name is Krishna Khandesawa and we are from Jain Polytechnic.
Our department is complete.
Our program is 06 and our batch is 2024-25.
So our project name is Automatic Helmet Tool Violation Detection and Penalizing System through Deep Learning. So we have developed this project under the guidance of Mr. Dada sir. So now I will explain the problem statement and solution of this project.
Let's begin with a simple question. Have you ever noticed how many bike riders wear helmet while riding bike? Well, we did too, and that observation becomes spark for our project. So, according to our survey, in Pune there is 94 lakh population. But what is more surprising than this? That is, number of two-wheelers is more than 32 lakhs. As you heard that right, Pune, once known as the city of bicycles, has now become the city of two-wheelers. But here's come the main problem. That is, out of 32 lakh bikers, only 6 out of 100 wear helmet, which means around 27 lakhs riders are still not wearing helmet. That is, 27 lakh riders are potentially risking their lives daily on the roads of Pune. That is, only 5.12 lakh bikers are wearing helmet in Pune. So this isn't just a safety issue, but it's a huge financial loss to government also. Let me explain how. So last year, around 9 lakh traffic rule violators were caught in Pune, resulting in collection of 56 crore in fines. If fines were collected from all 27 lakh violators, the revenue would be 270 crore per year. That 180 crore loss just in the city Pune. So now imagine this situation across the whole Maharashtra. That's why to address this issue of helmet rule violation, raise awareness and help authorities to enforce rule more effectively, we developed a project that is automatic helmet rule violation detection and penalizing system through deep learning. So our idea is simple. We'll use AI or deep learning to detect the bike riders without helmets, extract number plates, check their violation history, and automatically issues a fine or a warning. All this in real time without manual intervention. And with that thought in mind, we developed this project. So now let me hand it over to my team member Krishna Chauhan, who will explain actual working of our project and what our project can did.
Right.
Now I will explain the actual working of our project.
The working of our project is based on the cameras which are already being placed at the signal. So the main use of those cameras is to detect the motorcycle among the lots of vehicles which are already present at the road. Means the vehicles such as the cars, ambulance, trucks, and bus, and etc. So once when the motorcycle is detected by camera by using the YOLO V8, YOLO V8 means you only look once. It is technology which is known for its accuracy and speed. So after that, the next condition is checked whether the rider is wearing the helmet or not. If the rider is wearing the helmet, then it's completely all right. But if the rider is not wearing the helmet, then within a second his number plate is detected, means the violator's vehicle's number plate is detected by using the EGOCR. In this, the OCR stands for optical character recognition. It is used to detect the number plate of the vehicle. So the main use of the detection of the vehicle is to fetch the information of the violator. So for that, we have created a dummy database like the RTO, which contains the every possible information about the violator. So means the information such as the vehicle number plate, the owner's name, owner address, his mobile number, his email ID, a linked bank account, along with the bank account number and the current balance present in his bank account. So, among all of these fields, the two most useful fields are email ID to send the challan of the fine issued and the bank account information to directly issue the 500 rupees fine. So after that, the next condition to be checked is whether the rider is already being penalized in a day or not. If the rider is already being penalized in a day, then audio is played already penalized. But if he has not been penalized, then its bank account balance is checked. If the balance is less than 500, then the system sends an email of notice to his email ID to pay the fine within the 15 days. And if the balance contains the minimum balance, so then the 500 rupees are automatically detected within a second from his bank account, means the violator's bank account, and a PDF of challan is generated and sent to his email. The PDF like this, which contains the information such as the name of the violator, his vehicle number, along with the location where the rule was break, and the date and time at which the rule was break, along with the photo of the violator. So means he will have to accept that he has break the rule at the specific location, time, and the date.
Start.
Now I will explain data flow diagram with software hardware requirements. This is the DFD diagram for the helmet rule violation and penalization system. Here, motorcyclist video is the input source of data for the system. This central system receives the video input and check for the helmet violation. If the violation is detected by the system, then the system connects to violator bank account to deduct the fine. After the fine deduction, the system sends an email to the violator. The record of violation and account balance of violator is updated and violation record is stored. This is the DFD second diagram. In second DFD, we dive deeper into the how system works. The input video of user is the starting point. The system uses a YOLO V8 model to detect whether the rider is wearing a helmet or not. If a helmet is not detected, then violation is processed. The fine is calculated and prepared for deduction. The SMTT protocol is used to send the violation notice through email server. This is DFD 3 diagram. In third DFD diagram, Droid live stream is used to record a live video from the droid cam. Bike and helmet is detected by the YOLO V8 whether the rider is wearing a helmet or not. EasyOCR extracts the number plate of the violating vehicle. The system processes the violation and calculates the fine. Finally, the system sends an email notice of violation to the violator. The software and hardware requirements. The CPU required is processor of i5 or higher, RAM of 8 GB, storage of 500 GB, camera which is mobile camera in which we have used the Droid camera. Software specifications are coding language Python of version 3.8, development framework Alteryx YOLO V8, OpenCV and EasyOCR optical character recognition. Backend used is AI models for detection and OCR. Frontend use is console based. Development IDE is Spider 3.8. Database used is MySQL. Additional library used are Pyglet Mutation, EasyOCR, MySQL Connector, Report Lab, SMTP and GTTS.
Start.
So now I will explain the real world implementation and future scope of project. Real world implementation of project. We can explain the point. First, camera feed collection. Live traffic CCTV cameras capture road scenes. Second, frame extraction. Video stream is converted into frame for processing. Third is helmet detection, deep learning. Object detection of model like yellow V8 detect like motorcycle rider helmet presence. Fourth, violation identification. If rider is detected without helmet, mark it as a violation. Fifth is license plate detection. Apply OCR, example, Tesseract, easy OCR to extract plate number. 6. Auto challan generation. Generate e-challan with penalty details. 7. Notification. Send alert via SMS email to the often with proof and fine info. Future scope of project. We can explain the point. First, smart city integration. Connected with surveillance system for real-time helmet violation detection. Second, automatic fine generation. Use license plate recognize to identify violators and issue fine automatically. Third is cloud-based capability. Centralized data processing for monitoring multiple location efficiency. Fourth is traffic data analytic. Generate report for policy, decision and safety improvements. Fifth is advanced AI model. Improve accuracy with newer, faster and more robust deep learning algorithms.
So now we will demonstrate our project. For demonstration our project, there are 4 test cases. Test case number 1, rider without helmet, rupees 500 will be deducted and email challan will be sent to that email. Test case number 2, rider with helmet, no action. If riders wear helmet, then there is no issue. Our system does not take any action. Test case number 3, rider without helmet and balance is less than rupees 500. Email notice. Means if rider doesn't wear helmet and his account balance has insufficient balance than minimum than 500 rupees, then we will send the email notice of 15 days to pay within that time period. Then test case number 4, already penalize the rider, no duplicate file. Means if a rider is penalized already for that day, then no duplicate fine will be taken from that rider on same day. So for demonstration, these 4 test cases are so important for our project. So the actual hardware, we will see the actual hardware of our project. That is here. So actual hardware, you can see we have created a dummy road and stickers of bike riders. Here our system is detecting the riders and riders without helmets, and this is the actual setup. Here's a flowchart that have been already explained by Krishna, and this is what our our actual hardware. Here a camera is mobile camera we have used by using Android camera cam to capture these frames of traffic. In this traffic, out of this ambulance, this rickshaw, only our system will detect only the bikes, and in that, if riders doesn't wear helmet, then it will detect. Then it will go to the go to detect the number plate. So now we will see the database. In database, here is a database. We will now for running for demonstration, we will deduct the 500 rupees or penalize this person, that is MS16CB 7217. Owner name is Yasraj Hande, and this is his email ID. After penalize this person, we will the email notice or challan will be sent to this email ID, and you can see the current balance of his owner is 3000 rupees. So after penalize this person, the current balance should be deducted from this account, and this account balance should be changed. So we will check after penalizing that this balance is reduces or deducted or not. Okay, so now we will run the actual project. Before that, here's a droid cam we have used to detect to capture a frame. Here we will detect this bike, that is MS16CB7217. This is the owner, this is the bike. So we will detect this bike. So for now we will remove this sticker from the road. Suppose this is the road. Okay, so for running we will use the spider, and here's the code of our project. That in that the video testing.py we will run to capture the frame. Okay, so we will run directly. This will take some time. Okay, so frame is coming, and we have already connected the droid camera. So we will focus on our sticker right now. So here you can see our system is detecting that number plate, Okay, here's we have detected and our system showing. Yeah, you can see here our system has fetched that number biker,
Penalized.
and right now the penalize alert has been played by our system. So this person has already successfully penalized by our system. This is the live demo that already that have been I show right now. So okay, so now we will check in database that it is really penalized or not. Okay, so in database we will check here. Here is still it's showing 3000 rupees in his current balance because we doesn't have a refresh this page. So we will refresh this page, then we will see how it will be. So here, yeah, you can see here 2500 means the 500 will be successfully deducted from this account of owner Yasraj Hande. We will we will also check the violation table here. This violation table takes the all information of violation. You can see right now after refresh. Yes, vehicle number. This is the violation info. Here you can see vehicle number, violation date 13/4/2025, violation times 22.34 means 22.32 means 10.36. Okay, so violation time is that camera placed. Also, it takes the violation image. Here's the violation image that where it is penalized. Okay, so this information also take and our system has been successfully penalized that person and his account balance is also reduces. So now we have to check that email ID. This is email ID handesraj9@gmail.com. So now we will check the email ID. So here this is the account. So here you can see the time also. Okay, helmet violation challan MH16 CB 7270. Here's a Dear S. Raj Hande, please find attachment for the helmet violation challan and follow guidelines. Thanks and regards, automatic helmet rule violation system. So this is the attachment that our system has been sent. You can see Maharashtra Traffic Police Department, Tier 2 wheeler owner is Raj Hande. Your vehicle MH16 CB 7217 has violated helmet rule at Shivaji Chowk, Naringgaon on date 13/4/2025 at 22.34. So fine of rupees 500 deducted from your account balance, account number. Thanks and regards. So here's a fully proof image also sent to that violator, and this is how actually our system works. In this, all these things are done in fraction of seconds. You can see here times right now. 2 minutes ago, this email are sent by our system. So this is what actually full working of project and what our project can do, and this is the actual implementation that we have did by using the hardware, using the dummy hardware and the dummy database.